You know, there is a very famous hadith, very long, and time does not permit to get into that, about Hajj. Hajj. Where the Prophet, peace be upon him, spoke about a person who performs Hajj, becomes a newborn baby after. Right? And the hadith, in another hadith, and in explanation of that hadith, they speak about, and it's explained by the muhaddithin and the commentators of hadith, that if that person's lifestyle does not change after Hajj, then the person did not benefit from Hajj. The Hajj would have been valid. We would have fulfilled the obligation of performing Hajj. But when you become a newborn baby, what does that mean? You become innocent. Your heart is clean. You love everybody. Have you seen babies love everybody? And babies also are very sensitive. If you don't like a baby, that baby also will not like you. There's some kind of instinct. If you only do fake kiss, you know, a lot of people fake kiss. Hi, baby, love you. But you really don't like that baby. You don't like your brother's child. You don't like your sister's child. You don't like the neighbor's child. So it's a fake smile. That baby really wouldn't love you, you know. There's a connection from the heart to the heart with a baby. Even if a mother does not treat a baby as the baby is expected to be treated by a mother, the baby will love the person that loves that baby more. Have you ever seen that also? I see a lot of fathers shaking their heads. I think in some cases, fathers show more love to babies nowadays too. So the babies, as soon as the dad comes home, the baby runs to the dad. But if the mom shows a lot of love to the baby and more love to the baby than the dad, brother, it's no way that dad gonna get that baby unless he bribes the baby, buys the baby toys, ice cream, all the 9 yards, so he fools the baby. But there is an instinct inside of that baby. Their heart connects. Are you following what we're saying here? Yeah, that is deep, huh? So I'm going to get to a very serious point, and I hope a lot of you don't stop following as you follow now, when it hits home. So when a person performs Hajj, the Prophet, peace be upon him, says the person comes back like a newborn baby, past sins are forgiven. And also it's expected that that person will have the heart of a baby, love everybody. Love everybody unconditionally. See that? The baby does not differentiate who is Pakistani and who is Arab and who is Bangladeshi and who is uncle and who is maternal uncle and who is paternal uncle and who is maternal aunt and paternal aunt. The baby does not differentiate. A baby does not differentiate with family members who is who. Does the baby differentiate? No. The baby only differentiates with love. The love you show that baby, that's how much that baby will reflect